what's up guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a college moving day vlog. So I'm gonna be vlogging you guys as much as I can. It's raining and storming here, so I'll do whatever I can. I already packed everything. It's like 2-hour drive from here to my school, so I'll see you guys in the journey. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm here. I'm now gonna go pick up my key to my room, and yeah, I'll see you when I start moving in and stuff. That is my RD right there waiting for me. Better run.
What's up?
Good. How are you?
Doing well. All right, so this is your room key. This yellow form I will need back on Monday during our in-haul. And then this is your room condition report. It just needs to be turned into housing sometime during this month. So, and then do you have your ID with you?
Yeah, it's in the car.
Okay. And did you download the app for
screening?
Yeah. Awesome. And two people here helping you move in?
One person.
One? Okay. You want me to show you where your room is?
Yeah.
Do you like it cold or hot in your room?
Hot.
Hot?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so guys, now I'm moving my stuff in right now. I have like some here and I have others in the room. So I'm just moving everything right now. It's just heck. It's just like I'm being so fast and stuff. So I'll see you guys later. Okay, so guys, I already moved in and I put everything where it's not supposed to be. Like everything is a mess. So already moving, I already put my stuff. I'm gonna give you like an empty dorm tour and stuff. My roommates are not here. I moved in early because I'm gonna be an RA, so you gotta do like the training and stuff. So I'm gonna be showing you like, you know, the empty tour thing, and then you guys can see. Okay, so this is our door, and when you walk in, you have your key. You open the door, you open it, and this is what you find here. Here we have our little kitchen. We have a microwave and like cupboards up there, and like down here, and we got a sink. These are like my roommates' beds. That one is mine. This is a freezer. That's my bacon. It's about to expire, that's why I put it in there. Again, that's my stuff I just brought. You know, I got McDonald's and I got food because I'm hungry, guys. I couldn't eat in the morning. I usually lose my appetite when I'm about to do something that I don't want to do. Moving back in, so yeah, that is that. And here is our bathroom. So yep, here you can see me. We have 2 sinks, and then we have this like empty storage down here, and then we have these small ones, and this one's open too. Here we have like these towel racks and stuff. I guess where you can put your cleaning stuff up there, and then here you can like hang your towels and stuff. Here we have our 2 toilets. That is one, and this is the second one, and this is a cute bathroom. So yeah, there you have your stuff where you can put your shower stuff, and then here's one, the first shower, and that's the second shower. So it's 2 showers in here, so one person can take a shower in there and another person can take a shower in here. So this is all my mess that I have to put together. You guys, I'm super tired. So yeah, but I gotta eat first, and I gotta do this empty room tour and then show you guys the final thing. From the living room, this is our view. It's pretty cool, pretty nice. It's really sunny outside. This is my room. Again, please, this is just a mess because I just moved in, so it's still not well, like, you know, put together. So I got 2 chairs. That's why like it's 2 chairs, supposed to be 1 actually, but it's 2 chairs because it's supposed to be like a shared bedroom. And then here I have my pinboard. I'm glad I didn't buy one because I have this huge one here and I don't really use them, but yeah, I guess. So here I have my shelves. I really love the shelves because it's a huge shelf, and like I have a lot I can do with it. So right now I'm just putting like random stuff. This is not where the stuff's supposed to gonna be going. The only thing that I set up is my TV. As you can see, I'm watching a YouTube video. Shout out to you, girl. What's her name? Cora. I don't know, but yeah, shout out to her. I'm just watching. And then here it's another dresser. It's just a simple dresser. I have my clothes in there. And yeah, this thing is just empty. I'm not done doing everything, so yeah. And then here I have my thing for like shoes and bags. I don't know where I'm gonna put this. I'm so like disappointed, you guys, because I thought this bed I could raise it, but really you can't raise it. Like, look at that. It doesn't have the things where, like, you know, my other room I didn't vlog, because my other room, like, you could raise your bed like way up to here, so your bed is like all the way up there. But yeah, I guess this is what I have to work with. And I was gonna put this one under my bed, but then I can't put anything down there, I guess. So yeah, here I just have like, this is my messy bed. I'm still like trying to plan how I want my bed to be, but I guess this is how it will be, because this is. And another thing, you guys, if you saw my dorm haul, you guys, you know, I got like big curtain, like it's really big. And look at the window. This is the only window I get. It is so tiny, it's not enough, but it's fine, it's fine. So I got my plants here, just put them here, the fake plants I had. The closet is really big, like, yeah, it's a big closet. So here I have, like, you know, shelves up there, here, and like down here. They're like really big shelves. I have so many drawers, which is a good thing. And then I have the big closet. Just close my door. So this is the big closet. This is what it looks like when it's closed. So it's just empty, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I got another shelf up there, and then this is the everything you got in here. That dresser was actually in here, but I took it out. I might put it back in, but I don't know. So yeah, that was the quick room tour, you guys. Now I'm gonna start like unpacking stuff and arranging my bed and put everything together, and then I will see you at the end. I'm gonna put you on time lapse so you guys can see me move around like a rabbit. So yep.
I will say it depends on the college. I've only attended one college, so I only have experience being on Lehigh's campus, but a lot of my friends and a lot of the people that I talk to tend to go off campus to seek and find somebody that they really connect with. Don't feel like you're stuck in the bubble of campus is basically what I'm trying to say.
it's the next day. I didn't vlog everything last night because I was too tired, and I went to bed around 4. But I pretty much got everything this morning, and as much as I would love to show you guys my cute bedroom, but I will do like a dorm room tour, so stay tuned for that next time I post a video, and that should be on Friday, I guess. So turn your post notifications on so you don't miss my dorm tour. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me moving and like my hectic moves and all that. I was too tired, but it's over now. I'm all set and stuff. I really love my room and everything. So yeah, I'll end the vlog here, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Please, if you like this video and you like more college content, please comment down in the section below, and I'll do whatever you guys want to see. So I'll see you on my next one. Bye.